Well, g'day curd nerds, and welcome to day 14 of the Cheese a Day challenge. And today's cheese is Edam. So, of course, Edam is from the Netherlands. Hopefully from around the town called Edam, so that'll be interesting. It does say on the front, imported from Netherlands, and it's 230 grams of cheese, which is a fair bit. Couldn't get any smaller, and it's cost $3.99 Australian, which is pretty cheap, especially for an imported cheese. So this is from the Aldi supermarket chain again. I kind of raided their cheese section. It says serving size 25 grams. Well, we know how much that is. Total fat is, it's fairly light, 23.9%. So that's pretty good. So it contains milk, of course, cow's milk, salt, starter culture, enzyme, non-animal rennet, and colour, 160A. So that's 160A, which is annatto. There you go. So it's had a little bit of annatto added to it as well, which in the Edam that I made, and you can see the video over here, it had no annatto in it. So I don't know why they've used annatto. Maybe it wasn't, it didn't look rich enough or anything like that. So it says good source of calcium, and it is a soft and buttery with a smooth texture. Use in gratins or gratin or melted in sandwiches. Fair enough. I'm going to try it by itself, so we'll just see what that looks like. Anyway, so let's. Oh, very easy to rip open. Thank you very much, Aldi. And it's got the traditional looking red wax. Let's just crack that open. Oh, and hidden underneath is a plastic layer which has, it just says, well, all I can see that it says on it, it says 40 plus. I don't know what, and it looks like a bit of a stampy sort of thing. So let's get that. So you shouldn't really eat this layer either. If I can get it off. Yeah, maybe not. No, they've taken it off. It was just a little stamp on the top. So I'll just move that out of the way. Oh, smells a little bit nutty, which is good for this style of cheese. Well, let's take a little bit of a close-up of that. I like the way that it's in its traditional like cannonball shape, or this is a wedge of the cannonball, if you can see that there. Pretty cool. So it's just a big slice taken out of the cannonball. So let's have a piece. Yeah, nutty. That's the smell. Very nice. Certainly a lot more flavour than Australian Edams that I've had before. This is the real deal, obviously. Very nice indeed. Compares very similar to the Edam that I made, except it's not yellow. It's yellower than the one I made. The one I made was quite white. Very nice. So what's it taste like? Let me try and describe it. A little bit of acidity, not much, because usually this is a washed curd cheese, so they wash a lot of the acidity out with the whey and extra water. A little bit creamy. How do I describe it? I have another little piece, and I'll seen a little bit nutty, not on the side of, say, Marsden that we saw before. No holes, compact, smooth paste. I can't think of the words to describe it any further, but really unusual flavour, as these Dutch cheeses like Edam and Gouda seem to be like. But very nice, very moreish. Really want to eat a lot more than just the 25 grams. Very nice cheese indeed. Very, very good. That is a good cheese. If you can pick up a piece from, if you're in Australia and you can pick up a piece of authentic Edam from the Netherlands, not a copy like we make here in Australia, then give it a go, because it really is a nice cheese. So very impressed with authentic Edam. And like the colour, I suppose. I like it. And I'll be able to reuse the wax, which will be cool too. I'll just pop that into my wax pot. Alrighty, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Edam, very nice cheese. Mellow, smooth. Yeah, mellow was the word I was looking for. Certainly hasn't got that sharpness of cheddar. I wouldn't expect it to be, because, it's, like I said, it's a washed curd cheese, and a lot of the acid is washed out of the cheese during the cheese making process. But yeah, very nice cheese. So tomorrow's cheese is going to be a washed rind cheese, an Australian washed rind cheese from Aldi as well. So I'm looking forward to that, to see if it lives up to my expectations of a washed rind cheese, because I've made a few beauties myself, such as Tilsit, Port Salut, Brick, Limburger, all very stinky wash rind cheeses with very unique flavours due to the Brevibacterium linens. Anyway, we'll check that out tomorrow. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, that's fine. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And hit the little bell to get notified of every video that comes out. You can make Edam yourself, of course. We have kits, supplies and equipment over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and we'll see you tomorrow for the Cheese a Day Challenge.